Emma was a curious little girl who loved asking questions. One evening, as she sat with her grandfather, she asked, "Grandpa, how do we measure time?" Her grandfather smiled and said, "Let me tell you a story about time. A week, 7 days make a week, Emma. Every Sunday we start fresh. A fortnight. 14 days make a fortnight. That's 2 weeks. A month. 30 days, or sometimes 31, make a month. February especially it has only 28 days, except in a leap year. A year, has 365 days. But every 4 years we add an extra day. That's called a leap year, making it 366 days. Anniversary. When you celebrate something after 1 year, it's called an anniversary. A decade. 10 years make a decade. That's like going from a little kid to a big kid. A century. 100 years make a century. That's older than most people live. A millennium. 1,000 years make a millennium. Imagine how different the world was 1,000 years ago. Beyond a millennium, 10,000 years is a decamillennium, and 100,000 years is a centimillennium. That's longer than human history as we know it. Emma's eyes widened. "Wow, time is so amazing," she said. Her grandfather chuckled. "Yes, Emma, time never stops. But the best thing you can do is enjoy every moment." From that day, Emma learned to cherish time, knowing that every second, minute, and year was part of a bigger journey.